So now let's see how we can work around with guidelines inside of Corel Draw. So in order to work around with guidelines, first of all, you need to have the ruler enabled right here. So my ruler is enabled. If you don't have the ruler enabled, then simply go around over here onto the view menu, and then you can see that ruler is an option. So enable the ruler right here and check the guidelines on as well. So once you go around and do that, you can go around and click and drag out a line from the ruler right here as guidelines, as you can see right here, just like this. So these are the guidelines right here. Click and drag it, and those are the guidelines that you can go around and add it in. You can move around the guidelines right here wherever you want as well, just like this. So with the guidelines, what you can do is you can go around over here and then snap to guidelines right here. So snap to is here, so you can go around and then go for guidelines right here, just like this. And once you do that, you can go around, and if I were to go around and then make something right here, you can snap it onto the guideline, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can see that this can be used as a reference right here, just like this. So now I can go around over here and let's say, for example, select out black color, blue color right here, and then let's say black color right here, just like this. And you can see that that is the guideline that you have. I can go around over here, click and drag it right here, just like this, and that is another guideline, as you can see right here. And then if I were to go around over here, this is another guideline right here, just like this as well. So this is how you can work around with guidelines inside of Corel Draw right here. If I were to go around and turn off the guidelines right here, just like this, then I simply don't have the guideline right there. And I can also go around and re-enable out the guideline right here, just like that. I can go around over here, and then what I can also do is I can go around and turn the snapping off right here, and it won't snap to the guideline anymore. But if I were to go around and then turn on the snapping again, or you can go around and enable snap to guidelines, then what you can see is it snaps onto the particular spot once more, just like this, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with guidelines inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.